Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Teacher Fatihah. In this video, I will share with you on how to teach our children to be able to use and an correctly to improve their language and communication skills. So, stay tuned. So, how to do this activity? Firstly, we introduce the concept. So, the article "and" is used before a single countable noun that begins with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, while the article is used before a single countable noun that begins with a consonant which are letter other than E, I, O, U. Second step is we transfer the knowledge using with modeling prompts. So, like what I have in front of me, this is a banana. Banana begins with consonant B. Banana. A banana. This is an apple. Apple begins with a vowel A. Apple. And apple. And the last step is we ask the question to them. This is a banana or an banana. A banana. This is an apple or an apple. An apple. Next, I will continue with the benefits of this activity. With this activity, it will improve children's understanding on the basic concept of sequence structure, in which they will learn to structure their sentence. For example, they understand that the article A is used before a single countable noun that begins with a consonant, while the article "and" is used before a single countable noun that begins with a vowel. Secondly, it will improve their social skill. For example, with this activity, they will learn to communicate with their friends, their peers, and their family members. The last benefit is they will learn new language. As they communicate with each other, they learn a new language and a vocabulary according to their environment. So that's all for me, and thank you for watching.